how to allow or deny apps permission to access, read, and write instant messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on permission manager. In here, scroll down, then tap on additional permissions. Then tap on read or write instant messages. In here, tap on the app that you want to grant permission. So here, Google Services Framework, for example. I can tap on that and then I can choose allow or don't allow. And then tap on the back key. So if I don't want to allow Google Services Framework, I can tap on it and then choose don't allow and then tap on the back key. So the same goes for write instant messages. You can choose to allow or don't allow. And that's it. After you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.